Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Vivo V20 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll and find something called accounts. As you can see, it is right here. Above it we've got the Google section, and obviously you can add or remove an account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using accounts. And as you can see here, we've got our previously added Google account. So all we have to do in order to remove it, because we will start with that, is to tap on it and tap on remove account. Now let's tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it actually immediately disappears. We can also add new one just by tapping on add account. Choose obviously Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it quickly. I've got it saved, so just tap on next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can tap on it in order to receive much more info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. So actually this is it. This is how to manage Google account in your Vivo V20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.